Hi everybody, Lorraine here. I have a 12 by 12 inch canvas and I am going to do a Dutch board today. I'll spread out my white. Okay. I have a couple of colors here, a little bit different than what I usually use. This is a light magenta. I'll lay that down first. And then I have a pearl that I want to put on here just to see what that does. And then I have this maroon. Turned out really pretty. So, put that down. And then I want to put a touch of gold in the middle. And this is the Deco Art 24 karat gold. We'll see what that does too. Okay. Pour my paint around the outside. Like that. Put my blow dryer on. Ooh, it's very pretty. Very pretty. I like the edges down here. You can see the pearl in there. You can see a spot that I touched with my blow dryer. I'm going to just use my straw and blow that out a little bit. That gold is coming through. Oh, it's so pretty. That maroon is gorgeous. Give it a quick torch. There's no silicone in here, it's just paint and Floetrol and water. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, I'm loving it. Loving it, loving it. I'm going to have to blow right on that edge because I can see a real thick layer. Just like that, just a little bit. Push it out. Well, guys, that was a quick, easy one. Thanks for visiting with me. Appreciate it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like seeing more acrylic abstract painting. I definitely enjoy showing it to you. So here we go. There is our burgundy blow dryer pour. Thanks for visiting. Bye.